my daughter.
Boarding passes out, please.
So you feel, Pop?
Feel good, man.
Taking off, guys. Taking off. Yes, people, you don't know, so we're up on the way to the airport. My father over there, so. Oh, and they'll be over there, so they know over there, so our birthday. Don't mind them guys, they're in a broad glass. Yeah, man. And they know over there, so our birthday. Everybody comment down below, happy birthday, Dana. You see me? Yeah, man, so we're there. Andre there, so around the steering wheel. Yeah, man, but we're there. We are playing some music and we are relaxed and we all our vibes go mobile. Yeah? What we don't know it back? We're at Discovery Beer right now, so stay tuned. Pops over this and dark glass. Like Ray Charles.
Yes, broad glasses.
Alright, broad glasses. So I play some music. You see, we're outside. So we are like coffee like we are bumps my dog. Shut the rum far, fuck up and pop. Okay guys, so we just pull up at the airport, you see me? Yeah man. Father over there, sir. Seriously, I'm a young boy.
Just hold on for one and
Serious. You see me?
And time don't next time.
Father, you ready for America?
Yeah.
You sure?
Oh, tar road, we sir.
Pass clean on me.
road.
Yeah man, we're there man.
We have everything.
Andre there, sir.
Yeah, man.
Want to know wish Dana happy birthday, okay? This is my friend, fiance. You see me, her birthday today, and she in her birthday outfit. She's a designer, okay? She can design outfits, so guess what? You see, if you don't want nothing to make, Dana, link her up. You see me, she make anything, baby clothes, wedding dress, anything. I know him from, I know myself, yeah. Always got me back, man. Thank you. My father first time in the state. Boss outside clean, cleaner than me, I saw it figure. You see me? So, wish Dana happy birthday for me. You see me? It's a good look, we're outside.
That's the one that had me laughing. When you came back, mommy, you have big woman, you know. You're the first time to follow it.
Oh, God. First time, you know. First time, you know. First time. Boss, boss. Boss, boss.
So where may I go? No. I didn't even know where yet.
You know, say last night we surprised me saying my go. Almost dropped down. For real, don't you never travel it and look at man clean.
Man comes back for it.
Yes, Ragwan. Right, my daughter.
You love your surprise?
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Daniel make me drop down if me sick with my heart. If me sick with me heart, me nearly drop down.
This is one of the nicest.
No, she's not the nicest.
One off.
Yeah,
No, but she
good
nice
man,
to me, you know.
good man.
And she make me spend my money.
Too much, and me love you now.
She make me swipe the card. You see me? And her customer service is beyond
Yeah.
Thank you.
expectation, beyond. She too. See her there. But she hide. You see me?
You know,
Thank you for everything, okay?
You're welcome.
And I will keep swiping the card.
All right. No problem.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Let me see your head. Let me see your head.
You want to see your father head?
Oh my.
All right. I
What
want
the
to
sister,
make
my
you
older sister,
Take off your cap.
Oh my.
you want to take off the broad glass? Let me take off the broad glass.
There you go.
Yes, presumably. Yes, I told you that. Yes, I bless you.
We're away from the plane. Now there we gate. You see me? Delvin, how you feel?
I feeling overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed?
Yes.
It's a good feeling, you see me, so. Father never go to America yet, never go up on a plane yet. And the boss there. Well, create history in another blogger, you see me? So, stay tuned. Remember guys, Mummy and Livy do not know that we're coming. You understand? Don't know that father forward. See me? Everybody comment down below. Safe flight, Delvin. Comment down below. It's a good feeling. Me in the on my phone look while with my older sister Marsha, and I tell her say yeah. It was this close for her to start crying. But sis, big up herself, I don't know. It was in the making, man, I don't know. It was in the making. A good look. Alright, Elvin?
Yeah. Yes.
Later, guys. Boss, gone on the plane, you know. Right, that's all.
Boarding passes out, please. Remove them from your passports. Excuse me, sir.
Go on. fun, let me tell you. Slow down. Wow. Hold on. So 6C and one time ago. For the first time in America.
Get me there.
Ready?
Yeah.
You're 10, Omar. You're 10
So you feel, Pop?
Feel good, man.
So after 65 years, you think so you're up on a plane and go to the big apple?
So I mean, I know what's still in.
Explain the feeling.
I just feel good at it, you know?
Yeah? You're afraid?
Eh?
Or you're
Getting right? Not directly, although I never experienced it.
Okay. Flight not long still.
Hold on.
You want something?
No long.
God, man. Sure.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, you feel like you're a chimney, so you're not?
No, man.
Not a chimney. You sure? Yeah, man. Yes, people. Flying here will come and sing my pops. So stay tuned. When we touch down and the flight will take off, you get the experience. Love a time like this with my pops. Same flight, same country. So I go do. Right, Pops?
Resume it.
What me tell you?
Oh, you God. You have to nice you have still a good. You look good. You understand?
Yeah, that's that.